Good morning. Today is July 29th. We're at a different location. Sorry for the traffic noise, but we're fishing underneath a different bridge today. So we're gonna fish for snappers. Let's see how we do. So you wanna fill your bucket with water, and then you can put your rod holders, your rods in the rod holders. Okay, got taken. No bait. We got a bite. We got a bite. We missed it. first fish. He's small, so he goes back. This one has a circle hook, and this one has a J hook. So this one we're gonna let it bend over, and then that one we can set the hook. Right now, tide's going out. It's about 85 degrees out here. It's about 7:30 in the morning. We just got a bite on this rod. Let's check it out. Biting. Alright, so second fish. It's a jack. Jack. Hey, you want it, my friend? Amigo, you want it? You want it? You want it? So right now, it started raining really hard. So right there, so we were fishing there. So we had to get out of there. Look at the clouds. Before it was sunny and hot. Now it's like 20 miles an hour winds. So it's getting bad. The whole sky is dark. It came down really fast all of a sudden. It's raining really hard. So we're not giving up. We're just gonna still fish in the rain, but we're safe underneath the bridge. All right, the rain has cleared up, so we're gonna try fishing again. We're just moved a little bit. Go. That's our big fish, big snapper. So he's small, goes back in. Missing another one. That was a big hit. Bye. Another one. He's about 10 inches. We're going to throw him back. Got him, got him. About 10 inches also. He goes back into it. When I'm fishing for snapper, I always put my trigger finger on the line. That way you can feel it, the fish biting. We're getting all small ones today. I think he's number 6. That was a big bite. Alright, that's fish number 7. 7, it's undersized, he goes back into it. Nice one, nice one. We're gonna measure him. Alright, we're gonna measure this guy. That's our second keeper fish. Probably about 14 inches. He goes back in. That's the current and the seaweed taking the pole down. But what we want is bounce. So this is fish number 3. He's a keeper. So that's good. So we're back at the car now. So we got 3 snappers. It was a hard day today. We caught like 20 small snappers. It started raining. We only had 2 hours to fish. It was outgoing tide first, and then they started biting until incoming tide. Incoming tide is when we started getting the big ones. But okay. So we caught 3 snappers, and so we ran out of bait. We only had 2 hours to fish, so now we're gonna go home. All right, so we're back in the car now. Recap: we started out with a number 1 J hook on 17-pound fluorocarbon leader, only 12 inches, and we were getting all small ones, and it was outgoing tide. Then it started raining. We didn't catch big ones until we started using 3/0 J hooks, and then I mean circle hooks, and it was incoming tide. That's when the fish was biting bigger ones, but we were running low on bait. But we caught 3 nice ones, so it's dinner, so it's good. Okay, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.